In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to uninstall Google Cloud SDK shell on Windows computer. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is boot up your Windows computer like you usually would. Then from here, you'll need to make sure that you have closed all of Google Cloud Shell terminals. Once you've done that, it should be looking something like this, where you can see that you have Google Cloud SDK shell right here. And to remove it or uninstall it, you'll simply need to go down to Start and then click Remove Programs like so. And once from here, you'll need to go inside of the settings page and go up to the search bar and click in Google Cloud like so, SDK. Once from here, it should look something like this, where you'll be able to go down to the three dots over here called More Options and then click Uninstall. Once from here, you'll simply need to click Uninstall again. And then from here, you'll be able to see the uninstall Google Cloud CLI, and you'll just need to click uninstall like so. And once from here, it could take approximately a couple of seconds to a couple of minutes, depending on how fast your computer is. Now, once from here, you'll be able to see that it's finally completed. And once from here, you'll simply need to click close like so. And then from here, you have successfully uninstalled Google Cloud SDK shell from your Windows computer. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!